some 5 points in this seminar. Open access digital library with a special reference to NDLI, and what are the features are available in NDLI, how to make registration and access privilege get from NDLI, and what are the collections are available. Then finally, purpose of registering this NDLI we are going to see now. So first, what is open sources? Open access resources. It refers to resources that are freely available for viewing and are used open access, is part of a continuum ranging from completely closed subscription, purchase only, access to completely open, no barrier publishing. This is called open access resources. Open access can be provided by commercial publisher who may publish open access as well as subscription based journals, or dedicated open access publishers. So already we are getting all the information through Google. So what is the different Google versus NDLI? How is it different? How we can differentiate from Google to NDLI? So as such, we are having a lot of facilities, refined such facilities in Google, NDLI. To extreme level means extreme level, higher education level, and school level also. Based on our query, we can search through NDLI. But in Google, we may get lot of unwanted information to unable to filter. So filter option is available in NDLI. Several refined search facilities also is available. So if two people, one is Bael and Samik, Bael from schooling level up to 8th standard she is studying, but Samik is doing engineering students. So Bael want to know about her schooling related information. She is having facility Google, YouTube, and NDLI Android app also. But Samik having he want to prepare for his research paper. So he is having also Google, YouTube, and NDLI iOS app. So how they are we are differentiating. So both are searching one common term, magnetism, through Google. They are getting more than 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 49, sorry, 24 lakhs results. So instead of searching Google, if they go to NDLI, the same magnetism keyword, um, the schooling level, she is getting only 56 results. But for a higher education level, she is getting he is getting 4 lakhs 19,000 result. So for 24 lakhs where it is just 4 lakhs. From here also we can filter as we want. So what are the major difference? Search and filter results in regional languages. Google not available, but NDLI we are having. Modify search based on content type is audio book, video, etc. Through Google we may not get, but NDLI having provision. User experience tracking the content, tracking the availability. Google is not available. NDLI provisions are provided. National licensing, Google not having. NDLI authorized license is available. So top 20 open sources, what are available? In that, National Digital Library is placing in the #1 role. So as such, Swayam Online, National Knowledge Network, and NPTEL, Talk to the Teacher, FU, Virtual Labs, FOSI, Spoken Tutorial, eYantra, Oscar. Through this So like this 20 I categories. Among these 20, NDLA is placing a vital role. Yes. 1 second. 1 second. Visible அது ஆகல. அவர் கூப்பிடு இல்லாட்டி. Now it's okay. Thank you. So what is NDLA? So NDLA is a project under Ministry of Human Resources, Resource Development India. It is a digital repository containing textbook, articles, videos, audio books, lectures, simultation, fictions, and all the other kinds of learning materials having NDLA. So when it started, it is dedicated to the nation 19th June 2018 by Sri Prakash Javadekar, the Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development. So who is for this NDLA? Who can use this NDLA? So as of now, everyone can utilize. So all standard level, school level, college level, professional level, academic researchers, and edupreneurs and lifelong learners, everyone having can be accessed through this NDLA platform. It is for all learners. So the thing is, we need to register through NDLI and get the access permission through NDLI. So that we are going to see one by one how to register and all. So what is the perspectives of NDLI? Basic perspective. Need effective use of digital technology to handle the situation. So due to this pandemic situation, all the libraries are almost closed. But even though 24/7 this NDLA is helping the serving to the learners and students through through its services. It is built up National Digital Library of India as a national knowledge and cultural asset, the key driving force for education, research, cultural heritage, innovation, and knowledge sharing in India. It is main perspectives of NDLI. National Digital Library of India can provide a disruptive innovation designed to overcome this challenge. So what are the contents are available? So mainly the content including metadata ingested in NDLI, if it is expected to have educational value. So what are the contents are available? It is burn digital object, first one, and digital surrogate of a physical object. So third one, digital metadata of physical object. So like this, through this NDLI, we can access these three categories of our requirements. So metadata at the NDLI. So what is metadata? What it is doing NDLI? NDLI does not store any contents. See, NDLI only inserts metadata for search and browse. Content, full text is delivered from source. So the NDLA is making a platform to upload their information through institution wise or person wise through NDLI. They can upload their content. Through NDLI, we can get access permission to view the particular content. So metadata is the heart of NDLI. It is primarily textual information related to content. It includes information that enable user to identify, discover, search, browse, interpret, or manage content. Includes hyperlinks that direct user to content on the source. May include an expressive description of the content. Note, it is we must keep in mind NDLI does not store contents. It only ingests metadata for search and browse. The content full text is delivered from source. So what kind of modules used by the NDLI? So see NDLI repository, web content harvesting, learning management system, content contribution, content access. How it is content access is coming? Physically challenged, researcher, learners, professionals. And content contribution from where it is getting contributing institutions, the NDLI is getting content contribution. And learning management system, how it is running through educator, the NDLI is getting learning management system. Web content where it is harvesting institutional, digital repositories and web content. So what are the contents are available available in NDLI? So if you search through key term computer science, information and general works, you will get 80 lakhs documents through the NDLI platform. If you search the key term using philosophy and psychology, you will get 5 lakhs plus 5 lakhs 38,000 plus documents contents through this NDLI. As such, social science, language, natural science, technology. See, technology more than 1 crore contents are available. So only thing we need to make a registration and get use means get the utility usage through NDLI. The arts and fine and decorative arts, around 39,000 3 lakhs collections are available. As such, history, geography, literature, and periodic having collection through can be accessed through NDLI platform. So who are all contributing the contents? So all together, as of now, 243 contributors are contributing to the NDLI platform for access for the benefit of user community. So major contributors you can see through this slide. So Microsoft, Doge, Sodhganga, IEEE Explore, and university level Bharatiyar, Bharatidasan, IIT, and all contributing the content to the National Digital Library of India. Yes. Now which slide is you can see top 20 contributors, it is okay. Same only, same slide only I will explain. Okay. So in that 243 top 20 contents I have categorized. So who are all contributing more to the NDLI? So World eBook Library is contributing more than 47 lakhs content. Like that, CiteSeer X, PubMed Central, IEEE Explorer, 33 lakhs content it is contributing for the benefit of the user community through NDLI. Global Index Medicus, Directory of Open Access, so Doge. So freely we can access directly to the Doge also. Even the Doge contributing the content to the NDLI. Through the valuable resources are available in Springer link. Springer article and all we can, based on the request, we can get it through NDLI. As such, I have categorized 20 content contributors. It is why in the 20 World eBook Library is playing a vital role. As such, ACM Digital Library, British Medical Journal, Internet Archive, NASA Technical Report Server, JStage, Genodo, so these are all main contributors for NDLI. So types of resources, what kind of, what basis means what types of resources we can access to. It is what form they are having the collection. So we may have doubt. So here you can see article more than 2 crore articles are available. We can easily access through NDLA. So book farm 63 lakhs contents books are available. A report 12 lakhs. Law, see, even law act also we can get the information through this NDLA. So latest law judgment are also they are uploading through NDLA. We can easily retrieve through that NDLA. So South Ganga contributing theses in that 6,41,000 theses are available through this platform. So historical record, data set, chapter wise, technical report like this, collections are having. So range of content. So three type they are ranged: study at home, COVID-19 research repository, future collaboration collections. So in this situation, the scenario, it is very much helpful to the students serving the means content through their requirement. So from the home itself, we can use this NDL platform. We can download lecture slides, videos, notes, conserver, term purpose, assignment, solution, lab experiments, manuals, gas case studies, question bank related to GET, NET, CA, means CAT. We can download through this NDLA. So research and professional institutions, central, state university, how they are getting benefited. Faculty publication, electronic thesis and dissertation, research projects, books and periodicals, open access journals, e-books, and subscribed e-resources are the means available through this NDLI, which will help the researcher and professionals to get their information related to their queries. So even encyclopedia, dictionaries, directories, others also directories also available for the benefit of the user. Institutional and open contribution, multi-model, multi-faced, faceted. What are the content? Data set, benchmark model, maps, software, manuscript, audio, video content also can be accessed through the this NDLI platform. So what are the special features are available through NDLI? So why we have to choose this NDLI for our study purpose? Main thing is it is authenticated. So it provides a single window search facility so that learners can retrieve the right resources with the least effort in minimum time. So if Google and all, if we go, lot of information is coming. From there, we cannot filter as we require. But through this NDLI, with the minimum time, we can reach our requirement through the content through the refined search. It is available on all popular forms of access, such as mobile app and Android and iOS platforms. NDLI is designed to hold content of any language and provide interface support for the leading vernacular language. It stores information metadata form, types of digital contents including books, articles, videos, audios. As I already told, they are having all kind of form documents are available, varying educational level and capabilities. How to access NDLI? It is very simple. So through this, yes. So now you are seeing a website address, no? Google form, HTTPS. Why it's getting?
Can you make full screen, sir?
I'm giving full screen. 1 second. Please hold on 1 second. first time I have given F5, it is come out from the meet. That's what I'm not giving. Which screen is visible now? So full screen is coming, huh? Okay. இதுதான் இப்பதான் தெரியுதாமா, இப்பதான் தெரியுதாமா, இல்லாட்டி தெரியல. One second, sir. One second, sir. Technical error. One second. Yes, sir. But here it's coming full screen, but I don't know why it's not displaying your screen. Reading view. Now it's okay, na? Sorry for the technical error. So how to access NDLI? So through this URL https ndl.iitkgp.ac.in. So through this URL, we just go to Google and type simply you type National Digital Library of India or NDLI. You can view this through the you can get the details NDLI. So through this URL you can able to access the NDLI. How? So here what are the how many collections are there? More than 5 crores collections are built through this NDLI. So as I said, so what are the contents are available? School students, research oriented, engineering students, science background students, and so literature. So content, what form is available? Data set, document, video, journals and conference, like that. So already we discussed this thing. So if you go through the front page, you will get browse by type, browse by subject, by source and learning resources. If you choose anyone, so these 4 categories we can get the information. So I have given just a Tamil literature. So it is language interface and search refined search facility. Through that refined search facility, I have given Tamil literature. Through the Tamil literature, the result shown 20th century Ceylon Tamil literature, like that. So altogether 2,920 results we found in 0.61 seconds. So history of, if you choose history of English, means through subject category. So subject, what are the subjects are available? Computer science, philosophy, religion, social science, language. So like that we can refine the search through our subject base. So language I have chosen. In that history of English literature I have given. So I have got 60,566 result through that refined search of subject category. So after that, I have searched by subject category and educational level. Here I choose UG and PG level. So okay, what are the levels of educational level it is available? Career, technical study, up to higher secondary, schooling, like that they have categories. So in that, so what we need based on the our refined search subject category, if you give input, you will get 5,080 results. It is fraction of means minutes we can get this details. So as such, we can categorize the as content required by us. So and further, I have given input through subject category. So where I refined my search. So there I have given literature and hat trick. So from there I have got 160 the result only. If we go for Google, we may get the result through more than lakhs. But here the filter option, lot of filters option provided by the NDLA. Through that through that filter option search, refined search, we may very few means authenticated information we may able to get through this NDLA. So further, I did by learning the research type. So through this, what kind of resources I need? So I have given only thesis. So thesis, what are the theses are available in the subject of Rohinton mystery? So through for this reference search, I have got 146 result found in 0.4345 seconds. See, so our time will be very much reduced through this refined search because very few means 146 theses we can able to get easily what we required for our research purpose. And further, I search through refined search. I refine my search by subject category and access restriction. Access restrictions by because some of the see the symbol this corner subscribe, open, NDLI content, authorize, and limited. So I just given open. So what are the contents are available through open through this sociology subject. So see, I have got 76,764 result through this my refined search. So further, by source wise, I try to refine my search. So source, what are the source are available? So NIT open course, UPSC Central Index, UPSC Indian Police Service, like that sources are available. So I particularly given MIT open course. So through that refined search, I have given input macroeconomics. For that, I have received only 170 results. So it is this 170 results is purely authenticated. So we can readily use those content for the our research purpose. Further, access restriction. So I have given I refined my search open and NDLI. So altogether for the subject of physiology, I have received 8 lakhs 16,072 results. So these many contents are available through this NDLI. Further, by access restriction and subject category, I have refined my search where I have got 350 results. So through the subject of pathology. So one by one, if we go for refining our search, we may get exact. We can locate our query exactly through this NDLI reference search. Further, by content type and educational level. So here it is very important. So educational level, we are doing UG degree, UG engineering. So we can choose UG related information, and subject categories we can give technology, or in that computer science, electrical, like that we can give. So through that refined search, we may find our information exactly. Theory of relativity I have given. For this 14,050 results I found. So these 40,050 results we can access easily through this NDLI. So educational level and education degree level. So master of technology, bachelor of technology, like that we can choose doctorate, master of science, like that we can refine our search. So source wise also we can refine our search. Further, file format, this is very important. So we are searching only audio, so no need to give all. So simply we can give mp3 format, so immediately we can retrieve the information exactly as we want to get the information. Because I have given effective parenting related mp3, I have refined my search. For that, I have got 6,584 results. By subject category and content type, how we can refine our search. So, stage of child development. So it is related to social sciences. So through this refined search, I have got this many results, Migas 1194 results. So why I want to say all those things. So NDLI is platform created for refined search all exact information we can able to retrieve through NDLI. So these many options they have provided. So if you compare Google, we may not able to refine like this with this many refined search facilities. It's not available through NDLA. Further, author and subject category wise I search. So for that by Burma, I have got the subject of pedagogy 8 results only. So this particular author contributed 8 documents which can be accessed through this NDLA. And by source, so the Indian law institution, I have refined my search. For that, I have got 386 results. So like that, criminal justice. So criminal justice only I have chosen. In that, I have got 332 results. So we have to try ourselves what are the facilities are available. We can categorize subject-wise, file format, language, learning resource type, access restriction, like that. We have to refine our search as we like to refine. So rural marketing related I search through access restriction. So open NDLI I have given. So for that 6,39,000 result I have. So altogether open access available NDLI. How many are NDLI? 14,180 contents they contributed through this NDLI platform. So content type. So engineering, mathematics oriented information, content wise we can search. So by search, research methodology, if you simply search, you will get 16 lakhs 90 over 1 crore 69 lakhs contents are available. If you refine as I told yearly, we may get very few means contents. Through that we can able to get exact information. So through the search, I have got research methodology, a particular author. So if it is visible, we can open this content. So full text access is available. So this is a sample I have given through this research methodology. Books, e-books, we can download and use for ours needed. So as such, video also we can search. We can able to retrieve the information. In the same refined search facilities are available to search videos, audios, and books, periodicals, whatever it is, they are provided. So these many filters options are available. You see, you please see what first one, the access restriction, how we are going author, subject category, educational degree, difficulty level, education level, file format, language, learning resource type, source. These many filter option we can provide. So based on our search, if you filter like this, you will get exact information and filter our content immediately and retrieve the information as we require. So this is very important. Why this is important? Access options. So what are the content we can able to retrieve? As I said already, the NDLI is making a platform to provide link from the source of content available from the contributors. So as such, if you give any title, if the content is showing this green color open lag, this content you can access full text. Okay, so full text, who is providing? NCERT providing full text access. And this symbol, National Digital Library of India, green signals, this emblem comes means NDLA user can NDLA registered user can access access this retrieve this full text content. And limited access, this black symbol, this emblem is comes means limited access. So what shall we do for this access this content? Part to text available, but full text requires authorization by source authority, example IISER Bhopal. So these we can directly we can write to them through this NDLI registration, mentioning NDLI support team, we may get that particular content for access. So this orange lock, if shown means this content full text are available from institution that have subscribed to the source, example Springer. So we can contact the person, NDLI support team. We can if we are having membership means definitely they will respond to you. So restricted access. So restricted access means what we do. If the emblem locked red color locked symbol is there means it is restricted access. How can we access this particular document? So full text access requires authorization by source of authority and separate login to the source. Example IIT Jodhpur. So IIT Jodhpur from their repository they are maintaining this collection. So we can write to NDLI support team for getting this information. So you can able to get this particular content based on the means input of NDLI team. So Indian lingual interface referred means we can search. So language, Indian language wise also we can search. So Hindi means Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, Bengali, like that we can refine. So preferred language, so Kannada, Marathi, Oriya, Tamil, only we can refine our search. So how to operate our NDLI club? Already our college means Ramco Institute of Technology having a membership, I hope. So what is the objective of this NDLI club? To take the knowledge resource of NDLI to every citizens of the country and promote the culture of reading. So this registration can be done through this URL which I have given. How to register? Log on to https://ndli.iitgp.ac. You please remember this URL. So through that we can make registration. It is open for all. So there are two types of registration is available: individual registration and bulk registration. So through this NDLI club, what are the activities we can do? Monthly activities, weekly activities, and like that we can do. Every month, at least one or two activities we must do through this NDLI club. So what kind of activities we can do? NDLI lecture series, quiz competition, story talk we can arrange, go fish competition, film screening, NDLI draw, NDLI role play, NDLI write on, makerspace, debate. Like that, they have categorized. So 10 types they have categories. Through that, our program should match these 10 activities. So based on that, we can conduct the activities. The activities, photos, and videos can upload through this URL. So how to register? So as I told, go to this URL, register free using email ID. So after a few means members, few details, if you feed it through this URL, you can get a mail through this personal mail ID. Register needs to click the link to activate and complete registration. Log in and enjoy NDLI on the web. Alternatively, download the NDL mobile app also. So through mobile Play Store, you can get the NDLI mobile app also. There also you can register yourself. So already I told you, feedback can be sent to the NDLI support team, so we can register all our feedback. So if any problem faced during the access, content wise, language wise, and category wise, you may write to the NDLI support team. Within 74 hours, you will be answered through for your query. So based on the answered query, you may access your NDLA resources. So it is fully free of cost. Access all the materials with free of cost. However, rules and accessing policy of the content provider decide the accessibility of the materials. So NDLA harvests metadata from other sources and guides its user to the respective sources. So contribution, how can I contribute through this NDLA platform? So I'm having a lot of articles. I'm doing research. The research article must be published through this NDLA platform. If there is any option, yes, it is there. You have to write to the NDLA stating that you are interested to publish your research articles to the NDLA support team. If the content fulfilling their standards and norms, definitely it will be published. So thank you. If you have any queries, kindly let me know. I'm ready to answer. Yeah, please.
Good morning to all, sir. I am very happy to propose vote of thanks for this wonderful program. I am very thankful to management, Principal Dr. L. Ganesan, sir, Vice Principal Dr. S. Rajakarnakaran, sir, and Dr. S. Kannan, Head of the Department EEE, and Professor in Charge Library, to permission to organize this program through NDLI portal. I very much thankful to today's resource person, Dr. M. Kumaran, Assistant Librarian, Tamil Nadu National Law University, Trichy, given a nice presentation about NDLI resources. We also thankful to library team to organize this program. Finally, we thanks to participants to attend this program. Thank you to one and all.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.